Knowing your ideal customer profile is the ultimate strategy that you need to know exactly what your potential client wants, how they want it, why they want it. And having all this information that only an ideal customer profile gives you allows you to get clarity in what you have to do exactly and how to do it in your business or company to produce the results that you are looking for. And this applies to small or every level of business or company, because the majority of businesses struggle with this one thing: what to do and how to do it to persuade their potential clients to buy from them and build a community that appreciates what the company or business can make for them with their products or services. Most business owners are not aware, or they do not want to believe, the benefits that can bring them to define their ideal customer profiles. And that's why they make the mistake of avoid to dedicate the time that is needed to build their ideal customer profile, believing that it's going to be only a waste of time. That's why I am going to describe to you some of the benefits that is going to have for your business having detailed ideal customer profiles that give you a clear direction to you as a business owner and your team. If you do not know me and what I do, I am Roberto Garcia, the Wise. I help small business owners, executives, and entrepreneurs grow their business and build their teams to scale and create massive value. I can help business owners to accelerate their personal, professional, and financial growth through their business. And I'm going to tell you 5 benefits which makes defining your ideal customer profiles essential for your business. I am assuming that you know what an ideal customer profile is. It is a clear and complete description of your perfect client. What he or she wants that you can give him when buying your products or services, why they benefit from that, how they want to obtain that benefit, when they feel that it is the right time to obtain what you can give them, what and other things they are buying, and how you can use that to help you sell them your own products or services. And this detailed description that you can get of your ideal or perfect client, making the exercise of the ideal customer profile, helps you in every part of your business to make more accurate decisions and to know what to do and how to do it to get better results for your company. The first reason why knowing your ideal customer profile is essential is it allows you to know what your customers' exact pain points are, what they are looking to pay for in order to solve exact and precise problems or concerns that you now know about. Knowing this is pure gold, and knowing what these people is looking to pay for, how they are making their research, and how that offer needs to look to attract them to want to know more is the holy grail for a business. The second advantage that brings to your business knowing your ideal customer profile is to know exactly how you have to communicate with the kind of clients that are looking to solve the problems that your products and services resolve. What words that people use, what kind of expressions they communicate with. You can use some references that only that profile of people use and that they use to understand better something that they are familiar with. Maybe there are a dress code that they feel represented with. Maybe you should assume that they already know your product when you told them about it. What kind of experiences all they have in common that they are looking to solve, complement, or maximize with your product or service. When you know your ideal customer profile, you have the information of how you have to build the communication of your business to attract and connect with that kind of potential buyer. Another benefit of having this information about your perfect client is that helps you to make more accurate and correct decisions for the business. When you have information about what your potential clients want, how they want it, why they want it, this allows you as the business owner to make better decisions in every step that you want to do for your business. Maybe you have to decide prices, future products, what kind of new team member you need to introduce to your company, and what are the characteristics that that person needs to have to be well accepted for your clients in a way that helps you to get better results for your company. The ability to make better decisions for your business thanks to having an ideal customer profile applies to all areas of your business. Having an ideal customer profile will also save you a lot of time, and your customer service team will benefit too. Part of creating an ideal customer profile is admitting what you can and cannot provide. That is, if a potential customer has needs that exceed your company's current capabilities, but you don't identify these needs up front, trying to force a sale on that customer can become a poisonous chalice that will ultimately waste your time and your customer service or sales team's time. And it will leave your potential client dissatisfied because not only have you failed to solve his problem, but you have also failed to prepare yourself and your team to steer them in the best direction. An ideal customer profile also helps you increase your company's productivity. Have you ever met a company or business that tries to sell to everyone but doesn't get any customers? Maybe that's what's happening to you now. When you know exactly which people you serve, you have to talk to what they want, what you have to offer them, how you should offer it to them, etc. You will be able to focus all your company's efforts on a very specific way of doing things and delve deeper into that to extract the maximum result from your niche of clients. You will be more efficient, your client will be more satisfied with you, and you will get better results for the company. Click on the link in the description. I will help you define your ideal customer profile and know exactly how to use it to increase your leads, get more sales, and improve the direction of your whole business. Let's be honest. These are benefits you would like to achieve for your company. Gaining more clarity on what you need to do and how you need to do it, helping you make faster and more accurate decisions for your business, helping your potential customers recognize you more quickly as the person who understands them best, and helping you create a community of people who will not only be happier with what you do for them, but will want to buy more of what you make. And just because you've made them the protagonist of your business, not yourself. Now go achieve great results.